This insane 12-bay SSD NAS just made my PC obsolete. Asustor FLASHSTOR 12 Pro Gen 2 review. Ever feel like your workflow's drowning in slow transfers, clunky hard drives, or mystery tech headaches? You're not alone. Wasting hours waiting on file syncing, crashing apps, or buffering video can kill your momentum and creativity. If your high-performance gear still feels like it's stuck in 2015, that creeping burnout isn't your fault. It's your tools. You're grinding harder, not smarter, all because your setup just can't keep up. Feeling stuck, frustrated, overwhelmed? Same here, until I found the one NAS that changed everything. Now imagine looming deadlines, a stressed-out client breathing down your neck, and your render crashes at 94%. Your storage is laggy, your files are scattered, and you're spending more time fixing problems than creating magic. Missed backups, broken workflows, lost footage. This is how projects and sanity fall apart. Every bottleneck is an opportunity slipping through your fingers. Sound familiar? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the truth. You don't need more hustle. You need firepower. And this little beast? It's a full-on game changer. Enter the Asustor FLASHSTOR 12 Pro Gen 2 FS68 12X, the NAS that flips the script. Powered by a beastly AMD Ryzen embedded V3 C14 quad-core CPU and armed with 16 GB ECC DDR5 RAM, expandable to 64 GB. This compact monster packs 12x M.2 NVMe SSD bays, PCIe 4.0x4, dual 10 gigabits E, and USB 4.0 plus USB 3.2. It's blazing fast, ultra-quiet, power-efficient, and built for creators who demand insane speeds without compromises. Whether you're syncing Adobe projects, editing 4K/8K footage over the network, or running VMs and Docker containers, it handles it all with cool confidence. Setup? Dead simple. Mobile control? Yep. And yes, it looks damn good on your desk too. This isn't just about specs. It's about unlocking flow. Say goodbye to workflow interruptions and hello to laser-focused, high-speed, buttery-smooth performance. The FLASHSTOR Gen 2's whisper-quiet fans and tool-free SSD install keep things clean and cool. Creators rave. Zero-lag 4K editing directly from the NAS. One pro called it the best SSD-based NAS for high-end creative studios. 10 gigabits E with SMB multi-channel? Check. ECC RAM for rock-solid reliability? Check. Real-world speeds over 2,000 megabytes per second? Absolutely. And Snapshot center backs you up every 5 minutes. From content creators to post-production teams, this NAS doesn't just support your grind, it supercharges it. Curious? You should be. Hit play and see why Asustor is dominating pro workspaces worldwide. If speed, silence, and sanity matter to you, this is the one. Don't just upgrade, evolve. Limited stock won't last. And trust us, once creators discover this beast, it's gone. Join thousands who've already made the switch and never looked back. Editing in real time, backing up with confidence, running VMs in peace. It's all possible with the Asustor FLASHSTOR 12 Pro Gen 2. Secure yours now before it vanishes from shelves. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Your future-proof studio setup is right here. Hit that link. Hit that by now, and let your creative potential finally breathe.